Let's jump right in with our first hack. The creamy mashed potato warm-up trick. No more cold, clumpy potatoes ruining your feast. Simply place your mashed potatoes in a heat-proof bowl, cover with foil, and set the bowl over a simmering pot of water. The gentle steam keeps them hot, fluffy, and silky smooth for hours. Add a dollop of butter right before serving, and watch them turn irresistibly creamy again. Our second hack is the no tears onion trick. Hate chopping onions? Pop your onions in the freezer for 10 minutes before slicing. The chill slows down the release of a tear-inducing gas, meaning no more crying in the kitchen. Only happy holiday vibes. Hack number 3. Keep your cookies soft for days. Store them in an airtight container with a slice of bread. The cookies will absorb moisture from the bread, staying soft, chewy, and freshly baked every time you reach for one. Now for hack number 4. The double-duty whipped cream hack. Want your whipped cream to hold up longer on pies or hot chocolate? Add just a teaspoon of instant pudding mix or cream cheese before whipping. It stabilizes the cream, making it thick, luscious, and photo-perfect for hours. Hack number 5 is for your desserts. Perfect melted chocolate every time. Instead of microwaving directly, place your chocolate chips in a heat-proof bowl over simmering water and stir constantly. The slow melting ensures glossy, silky chocolate without seizing. Add a tiny pinch of salt to deepen the flavor and drizzle away. The 6th hack is a total lifesaver. Revive stale bread in 5 minutes. Lightly sprinkle your bread with water. Wrap it in foil and pop it in a 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 5 to 7 minutes. The moisture turns to steam inside, bringing your bread back to soft, bakery fresh life. Hack 7. Crispy roast potatoes made easy. After boiling, drain and shake them in the pot with a tablespoon of flour before roasting. That rough, floury surface turns extra golden and crunchy, while the inside stays fluffy and cloud-like. It's a game changer for your Christmas dinner table. Our 8th hack is all about leftovers. Transform your turkey into a rich soup base. Don't toss those bones. Simmer them with onions, carrots, and herbs for 2 to 3 hours. You'll get a hearty broth packed with flavor and comfort, perfect for cozy winter nights. Hack number 9. No more soggy pies. Brush the bottom crust with a beaten egg white before adding your filling. This creates a thin barrier that keeps the crust crisp, golden, and perfectly flaky every time. Guests will think you bought it from a bakery. And our final hack, the make-ahead whipped butter magic. Whip softened butter with a drizzle of honey, a pinch of salt, and a splash of vanilla. Store it in the fridge, and you'll have a luxurious spread ready for pancakes, dinner rolls, or roasted vegetables. It's simple, elegant, and makes every meal feel special. And there you have it. 10 incredible food hacks that'll save time, reduce stress, and wow everyone this holiday season. Which hack will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you love these ideas, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to spread the holiday cheer. More fun, festive recipes are coming your way. Stay tuned, and happy holidays from Fun Food Stories.